Everybody else kept walking away, but you stayed beside me anyway. Through the anger, through the fear, somehow you always pulled me near. When I built walls no one could break, you saw the hurt behind the pain. Even when I tried to disappear, you kept reminding me you were here. You carried hope when mine was gone, held my heart when I felt numb. Through every shadow I was in, you loved me like family, like kin. Thank you, my friend, my soul sister, till the end. When the whole world let me fall, you never gave up on me at all. Through every scar, through every storm, you stayed when I was hard to hold, and showed me I could love myself again. When I forgot the light within, you stood between me and the fire. When I was drowning in my own mind, tried to save me from the darkness, even when I pushed you aside. You saw the light I couldn't see, believed in who I still could be. And when I felt too far gone, you kept proving I belong. Some bonds are deeper than blood, some souls are written in the stars. No matter where this life may lead, you'll forever be part of me. Our souls will forever remain beyond the distance, beyond the pain. Thank you, my friend, my soul sister till the end. When nobody else could understand, you never once let go my hand. Through every scar, through every storm, you stayed and helped me carry on, and showed me I could love myself again. When I forgot the light within, thank you, my friend, for never giving up on me, for staying till the end, for showing me I could love myself again. I could love myself